Dear learners, welcome back to your educational channel Learn and Educate, where we were studying a few basics about the goods and service tax. Continuing that series, section 2, clause 90, principal supply. Principal supply means the supply of the goods or services or both, which constitutes the predominant element of a composite supply and for which any other supply forming part of the composite of that composite supply is ancillary. Principal supply means the supply of the component of the goods or services which has been a principal element of a composite supply. For that purpose, section 2 clause 30 defines about principal supply where a taxable person makes a supply to a recipient which comprises of two or more taxable supplies of goods or services or both or in a combination of it, where they are naturally bundled and are supplied in conjunction with each other in the ordinary course of business, and one of which is a principal supply. Composite supply definition mentions whose predominant element is principal supply, and the principal supply mentions that the supply of goods or services which forms a important element, the principal element for in the case of composite supply, for which and all other supply where two or more supplies, the other supplies they are made which are made they are ancillary and are conjunction which are naturally bundled to the principal supply, but they are supplied in combination to each other. Therefore, the rate of taxes liability on the composite supply would be the rate which is applicable to the supply principal supply, and the supply in a case of a composite supply shall be treated like a supply of that principal goods or principal services. For example, in case of transportation of goods, the supply of goods, the packing material, transportation, insurance as a composite supply, wherein the supply of the goods is the principal supply. Therefore, the rate of taxes applicable to the supply of goods shall be or services shall be leviable, and that supply would be treated as a supply of goods as a principal supply. Therefore, principal supply means the supply of goods or services which forms the predominant important element, the primary element of a composite supply, and to which other supply which forms part of that would be is ancillary in that composite supply.